Meaning of demos.
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 Demos. The term demos typically refers to the general populace or common people of a society. It is often used in political contexts, where it can refer to the collective body of citizens who are eligible to participate in the democratic process. The term has its roots in ancient Greece, where it was used to refer to the citizens of Athens. Today, the concept of demos remains an important part of democratic theory and is often used to describe the importance of popular participation in political decision-making.